Assalamu alaikum, dear friend. Today tutorial is about to run a app sheet, which is an app. You can store data by using mobile or laptop or a device. You can store your productivity data or sales data in Google Sheet by using a app. I will show you how to customize the app according to your desire. Today I will show how to create an app to store data smoothly and accurately. App we have to define first the source. To go to source is need to type www.google.com, that is directly show here. We'll go to google.com. Now Google have so many product here. We will go to sheet, this one. After this we will take a blank sheet to record our data. We have to first define the column name according to my need. First column will be daytime internet. Data will be daytime. Why I write daytime, I will explain next. Then my section or marketplace or any other. Then my line maybe. Then come my model. Then my target quantity. Y target quantity, then produce y, then deviation by loss quantity from target. Okay, this is my criteria which I need data at this from. So to do this data come this standard and this value, we will make an app according to my desired column and value. So we have to go to Appsheet, this extension. Here is Appsheet. Create an app. We can go from www.appsheet.com also, but I am showing from create an app. Click create an app. It will go to www.appsheet.com also. My app sheet almost created. Just need to customize something. Here is show my app sheet. You can run this app sheet by mobile also, as I said. So first I have to customize my name, table name. First table name is production data. Okay, then customize this column. Oh, need to save this. Save, no issue. As I said, daytime. In Appsheet, you have to make every entry in a unique value, which is neat. If you make entry in a same day, something like today is 5 January 5. If 3 person type January 5, it will show an error because it not take duplicate. If you make it daytime, that means today and minute and second, it will be unique. So this is my daytime. So I will show how to customize your column. So daytime this is column type, column data. How will type I will add it daytime, then it will be daytime. Then section will be text, no issue. Line number is will be number, and model text, no issue. Target will be number, and production quantity will be number, and loose quantity will be also number. It will predict himself at price, but I will show number. Okay, then save. So I have to customize this one. As I said, it must be unique value every time. So now you say when we go to Appsheet plus, it will show 000 because I don't make any customize it this just daytime, day and time. I have to do customize. I have to go there, and daytime, okay, no issue. In belly lift there is so many issue. I will make more video about this. This one today I will make it now means today plus time. This tick means your expression is okay. Hit okay plus save. Come my app, which is, yeah, now see, today plus now time. In this now I have to customize this section, maybe a section, if I make it enum, it will give me name. Enum is section is molding, then cutting and finishing. Finishing, and that will be auto or button or snash or drop down. Button means it will come this way, and snash is one by one, and drop down is you have to drop and down. So I will take button. Okay, done. Save. So my date is okay, my section is okay. Line I will customize line also. Line will be number, no, this is enum, then add line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. To make easy, I will take always buttons. Model will be various, so I will not put anything fixed for model. You can also model this belly diff. I will make another video to make how to belly diff. If you create a list of model in a spreadsheet, automatic it will take from belly diff. I will make another video about belly diff. Today not so much time I have. The target quantity will be something and produce quantity will be something. So we will find what is the deviation of 2Ds. So to do this, I will go modification, then go to auto app completion, then app formula. It will I will go to column. There is so many, yes, no, math, various mathematics term and expression. I will do simple. I will make deviation from insert, column insert. If I click it, insert target minus produce, here produce and insert. Okay, this tick mark, that is okay. Then hit OK. Finally, I get my app ready to use. I will show. Data modeling, line number 2, model, I will say B788, target quantity was 500, produce 540. For some reason can achieve this total target, so deviation quantity 50 is automatically calculated. When I hit save, it will go to, from here is saving, go save, check here in my app sheet, go. This is my data record. I can use 10% to use this data record by using Appsheet. There from here I will share which person I need to share. I will share from my this email address, my one. You can add also Gmail address from here, something like that, this one, and if valid mail address, it will here come share. You will share mail address, then 10% can use it freely. Okay friends, then my app sheet is done, my Google sheet is done. Thank you very much for watching.